Yeah. Hello guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how to design a flyer using Pixellab. So I'm using the Pro app. So this is the icon. So I tap on it. So fine. So this is what we are going to design. I've designed, this is one of the flyers that I've designed. We are going to redesign it in this tutorial. I want us to bring in the flyer to our screen so that we're able to easily see what next we want to design. So I want to see what we want to design. So this is what we want to design. So I like it to have a sample of what I want to design or what I want to design so that it will be easier for me to pick and just pick around and do something. So, and to be candid with you, I have not had this Pro app when I designed this. I think this is August 16 years. This is August 6. Yes, I've not had the this Pro app then. I've not had this Pro app then. So I use the normal free version. So you can as well use the normal free version to design amazing flyer like this. So in this tutorial, we'll be designing this. So I want us to follow through this training. So the first thing here is the background. First of all, when you are to design a flyer, the first of all is to determine the size. What size do you want to use for that flyer? Depending on the social media you want to use. You want to use the flyer for, maybe you want to use it to run ad, put it on WhatsApp status, Facebook, ad, Instagram ad. You need to know the exact size that they use. You need to know the exact size that they use. So through your findings, you can go to Google and do that. You will get that. So, but on this tutorial, I'm using 6,400 by 6,400. So how do you size this background? So let's just tap on this 3 button here on the top right corner. Then you click on image size. Then with 6,400 by 6,400. Yes, awesome. That's the size I'm using, and we have the size already. So now the next thing is to change the background. So to change the background, you come here, come down here, come here. So now, so let's change the background and pick the color we need for the background. Okay, the main reason why I like Pixellab is that you can pick color. You can pick color from your design, the exact color you want from your design. Not, you don't really need to stress yourself. So how do you do that? If you need color, you can pick from here. You can pick from here. But I want to design exactly what is there. So what I will do is that I will click on this. What I will do is that I will click on this plus sign. So I click on the plus, then I click on this something like pen. This one look like pen and this one look like pencil. So the first one, so we click on the first one. So now this is the what we input. So you can just tap on it and pick the background color. So we are going to pick the background color, which is green. So we just put it. If you want to pick this yellow, you can just tap on yellow. Can you see that the color will change up here? So we just need this. So let's just pick on that and mark here. You mark. So awesome. Then press OK. Awesome. Can you see that we have the background? We have the exact color of background right now. So the next thing we have to put now is this icon. Let's bring in this icon, this WhatsApp icon. Let's bring in those icons. So let's head on to our gallery. From gallery, then gallery, I think downloads. Yes, downloads. So let's find some. So this is the icon in PNG format. So just bring it in. So next, reduce it, and you can use this place to turn it around. So you just turn it around, you tap on it and hold, and which way you want to put it. So I'm following this flyer that is there. So awesome, awesome. So the next thing I do is that just copy. And so how do you copy? Just tap on that and you can come here and copy and just come here and copy and just put it this way. Use this to turn. Good. So you can come here and reduce the opacity. You can see that the icon really don't appear as the color. So I reduce the opacity here. Okay, 60. Let me say 60. Awesome. So I change this to opacity to 60. Just use this minus 2. Okay, awesome. So that's good. You are good to go. So the next thing is the right top. So you just tap on this capital A and click on text. To bring your new text, just click on edit like text. Then click on this edit right here, this pencil. So delete this and type make money from WhatsApp now. Awesome. So we can use this double T to increase the font, to change the font. So I want capital letter throughout. So yes, I think I used a different Y here. So how do I do that? Okay, before I go there, let me post this so that you can see what we have. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Can you see? I'm making make money from WhatsApp now. Awesome. So let's change this Y to what I use. So what I do is that I just come here to the just watch closely. You see what I'm doing right here. So what I did is just come here and pick. Okay, yes, this is the font I use. This is the font like yarn. So this is the font I use. Then click on OK. Okay, awesome. Okay, awesome. So this is what we have. This is what we have. So this is what we have, and just put it here. So now next thing, okay, let's just type all the fonts before we come here and do the editing. If you are not very good in color picking, you can make your design black and white, then later come back to use the color that you like. So let's see what is here. Okay, so we have to paint this. You have to paint them so that they won't move again, because we are done with them. So how do you paint? Just come here and click, then you lock. Well, let's lock this. We lock it. It is this one. If you lock it, it won't be able to move again. So we have locked the two. We have locked the two WhatsApp icon also. So the next thing is let's copy this text and type. What do we have? Learn 7 proven ways to make money with your WhatsApp. Even if you don't currently have what to sell, okay? Then delete this. Can come here and reduce the size. Just hold on, tap and hold. Then you drag in. You can drag back to increase the dragging to reduce the size of the font. So next thing is to put date. So now I'll be putting date 2022. So okay, we reduce the size and just put in here. The next thing is venue, status and close WhatsApp group. Okay, venue. So okay, So we reduce the size as well. Reduce the size. We still come here and change some font. So we are seeing that this what we are designing a sample is under the font. So you have to bring it up. We have to bring those a sample up. So how do we do that? You just tap on it and come to the middle, tap on it and bring to front also. Can you see it's now on top? So put it somewhere here and let's reduce this font a little bit. Okay, awesome, good. Okay, so the next icon is free. So let me just copy this. Let me just copy it, go back to front and copy this. So and edit, then we put free big, just put it there. So the next thing is edit, send. So the next thing is just to increase it. Okay, let me teach you another way to increase the font size. You can just come here and click on size, then increase, reduce, increase. And use this plus to decrease or increase depending on you. So now to the last font, which is here, click the link, the last font here. Click the link on the next slide. Click the link on this next slide. So let's type that one. Let's just copy this text and type in. We can hide this so that we can have space to design. So just tap here and come here and hide. Click on this small eye, small thing like look like eyes, then you hide. So we are still coming back to it. So we just want to hide so that we can type. It will be easier for us to type. So okay, so what I did is that I just reduce it this way and can just click and hold, then you drag. So we can use this to adjust this position here to adjust. Come again, position here to adjust. We reduce this so that it will move slowly. So next, let's bring back a sample. Okay, awesome. Just tap on the high again and it will bring it up back again. So now the next thing is to how do we get this box, this dot. So how do we get it? So it's just fun, it's just text, it's simple text. So edit and come to number, come here and okay, awesome. So next one is to move to where it is on a flyer. So let's move it to this place. Let's put it there. So all we have to do is to copy this and put it here. The next thing we have is our phone icon. I've downloaded that from to my phone gallery. So you can go to free pick, you can go to Splash to download some resource. So as a PNG format, but if you don't see PNG format of what you need, you can also download and change it to PNG format. I have a video. I think you find the video description below. I'm sure you are enjoying this video. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you subscribe right now. Make sure you subscribe right away. Make sure you subscribe. Find the PNG format, so I bring it in. Also, I bring it in. So if you like this video that you are seeing right away, make sure you subscribe to this channel right away. And like this video, comment in the comment section of this video. And let's hide the a sample. Let's hide it so that we can have space. So before we move right to this, let's arrange this text. I don't want it to scatter and all this stuff. So let's arrange it to where it should be. You see that the WhatsApp is the only text that is bold in that area. So go to the WhatsApp and bold the WhatsApp. Can you see? So okay, let's change the font. I don't remember the font I use, but I just use any font, the font, and click on it and search for font is that are that is good, that is okay. I think it is this. I don't really know. So I'm just the font. So what I did is that I come to style and bold everything. So come here to color, and down here you will see the section. The section here you will see that I want to color make money alone. Make money alone. So let's pick here and select the yellow color. So mark and click on OK. Can you see we have changed make money alone? So now it remain WhatsApp. So we are going to highlight WhatsApp alone too. Let's just leave the date as it is, and what I do to this one, I come here to style and italics. We have done the editing, the coloring, all those stuff. So the next thing is to align. So we can put align and set, bring every font, everything, align all our text. Go back and lock it. So now to the icon. So let's bring back the phone icon. Bring it back. So it's here now. So what I did here is I put and just come here, click on the middle icon and come here to 3D rotate. Then you rotate, you can rotate it this way and do the rotation this way too. Hope you are following. I'm sure you're enjoying this video. Very sure you're enjoying this video. Wow. We're having an amazing design. I'm sure you're enjoying this. So that's how you can use Pixellab to design a lot of things, a lot of design. So amazing design. So right now this one is set. Next thing is to lock. We can lock it straight away so that it won't move anymore. So now let's bring this WhatsApp icon and we are good to go. Our design is fantastic and fine. So now let's look for the WhatsApp icon, PNG format also. So let's begin. Wow. So what I did is just I only pick this one, I reduce the size a little bit, then let's put it there. Draw it a little bit this way, and I put it there, and that's all. I can just use position to bring it in a little bit. Yes, good. And you lock, and the next thing is powered by online master. That's the last test we have. So let's click on test and type that. So I reduce the size and I insert it in. As you can see that there is difference between that online master, yes, and the reason online master I'm using that for this brand now is double L, not single L, it's double L. So and I have reasons, yes, I have reasons for that. Okay, so now what is the last thing that we have to do here is I increase the size of this one to a little bit and use position to position it right into that phone icon. Then I lock. That's good. Lock it and change the color. Okay, you can also come here and change the color. So let's change the color here straight away without locking it. Yes, come here to this icon that's like pencil. So change the color, click on color, and what color are you using? The color yellow color that we are using also. Yellow color that we are using. So then we are good to go. We are good to go. So that is it. So let's hide this one. We can delete it. Okay, let's hide it. Wow. Can you see that? Next, we have our design well designed and well structured. It is very, very professional. It's very, very professional. Like this video, subscribe and comment in this comment section. Thank you very much.